Anthuriums are tropical plant that naturally grows in rainforest where their root cling to trees and absorb moisture from the air and organic matter around them. A good potting mix for Anthurium usually includes a combination of orchid bark, perlite, and peat moss or coco coir. The bark piece keep the soil chunky and breathable. The perlite help with drainage and prevent compaction. And the peat or coco coir hold just the right amount of moisture. This blend allows the root to have enough oxygen while avoiding the risk of soggy soil. Some people also add charcoal or sphagnum moss to improve freshness and aeration. Using the right mix not only keep your anthurium healthy but also help it produce those bright waxy flowers. If the soil is too dense, the plant may stop blooming or develop yellow leaves due to stress. With a proper airy mix, the roots stay strong and your plant thrive just like it would its in natural tropical environment.